I'm the faculty coordinator for the Women in Trades group here at Tidewater Tech. So it's an in-house student program for the females in the different programs that we offer to sort of come together and learn about the advancements of women in trades and the struggles that we come across. I'm the first female BMR instructor in the program. Female students, they tend to step to the challenge a little bit more than their male counterparts, and we're seeing that their level of detail, their level of skill is equal to, if not surpasses, some of their male counterparts in each of the programs that are here. And it's actually really exciting because we do have females in all 4 programs offered here at Tidewater Tech. I mean, we are a trade school. This is a hands-on situation. Those students that get into it and get hands-on are typically the ones that are going to succeed, the ones that want to get dirty, you know, the ones that want to get that first-hand knowledge. The girls here definitely are super excited about the programs they're involved in. They have no problem stepping up to the challenge of wanting to almost surpass their male counterparts. And I think some of them do it on purpose just to prove the fact that, you know, we're girls and we're better than you. So it's kind of a fun camaraderie that they have going on. I think it makes for a little bit more of a fun environment and definitely shows the competitiveness of these different fields. I still have my own business. I still have residential properties. I actually have one just up the street. Every house that I work on or that I own and am rehabbing, I do a special project on each of those houses. My class cut in a lot of the water lines from the main. We soldered all the lines into the lab. We also ran the conduit from the main panel all the way around the room down here to be able to connect the water heaters to the electrical. And then other classes have come in and they've been able to run all the drain lines to make sure that everything functions properly. Being in the classroom, coming into the labs, putting my hands on, when I do a walkthrough with one of my electricians, or I do a walkthrough with the contractor on the job, I actually understand and am able to carry the conversation and not have to stop for translation or to Google something. The trades involve people skills, and the trades involve networking. Part of what my passion is to help the kids work on their soft skills or their professional development. It's important to Tidewater Tech that our students are well-rounded, that it's not just the skills you learn at the school, but it's also how you dress, how you talk to people, how you introduce yourself to your handshake and all those little things. So those are all being incorporated into the program. We're creating a program to give them all of those skills that they're going to need. So we go through the resumes with the students to make sure that all of their qualifications, all of the certifications they get in school, and everything they learned are itemized, plus any experience they've had before the school. We get all that on their resumes, and then we set up mock interviews. So Tidewater Tech is really big on not just giving students those hard skills that they need to do the job once they're hired, but we also work with the students to give them the tools to get the job.